Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to learn how to add notes on Instagram. To get this Instagram note option, you have to update your Instagram app to the newest version of it. You can do it simply from Google Play Store. Then open your updated Instagram app. Tap on here to go to the chat. Then below the search bar, you can see leave a note icon. So tap on this plus button. Then here we can type anything to leave it as a note. Remember, the maximum characters are 60. Then select this option to share this note with followers you follow back. Then tap on share. Here we can see our shared note. Hope this video was helpful for you guys. See you in the next video.